In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free chatbot for your automotive website or your car dealership website. And this also in a very quick and a fast way. No coding is required. So to do this, I will use a service called ServiceForm. You just have to go to serviceform.com/chatbot examples. There are ready-made chatbot examples that you can use and install on your website. You don't have to build them manually. So if you go into this website, you can see a couple of options. They have for marketing, they have for real estate, they have automotive, education, e-commerce, and other categories as well. If you are looking for something in automotive, you click on automotive and you can see three options: automotive homepage chatbot, car agent chatbot, automotive live chatbot. So homepage chatbot is what you put on your homepage of your automotive website. Car agent chatbot is what you put on each individual car pages. And a live chat is what you use for customer servicing or for live chatting with potential customers that are on your website browsing your items right now. So let's try to build an automotive homepage chatbot. So you just have to click on this and you get an example on the right bottom corner. You can see it says, "Hi, welcome to our website. What would you like to do today? Buy a vehicle, sell my vehicle, get in touch with a dealer." So this is exactly how it's going to appear on your website. You can click on a couple of buttons and see. And if you're happy with this, you can click on start with this template. And when you click on it, they will tell you to create your free account today. And this is free. You don't have to insert your credit card or anything. You just have to add an email address, a password, and sign in. So let's go ahead and add an email address. And when you click sign up, it will take you to their builder and they will ask a couple of questions to get to know you better so that they can give you the best from their platform. So they ask your company name or your website, your full name, and your industry. So you can fill them out. You can put your website or your company name. So you put your website here, www.company.com, full name, and your industry, automotive. And this, you can book a free consultation with them. They are the expert in this lead generation segment. So you can book a consultation. You can go here, select a date and book a consultation, or else you can skip this option. We will skip this for now just to show you how to build a chatbot faster. So when you click on done, you will have a message like this: "Welcome to ServiceForm." And when you wait a couple of seconds, it will take you to their builder, which is the chatbot is already built, but you can change a couple of things. I'll show you how to do it. So this is their builder. So on the right hand side, you can see there's a preview of what is already built, and on the left hand side is the designing part. So you can go here, you can change the language, you can add an avatar, you can choose whatever you have here, or else if you want to add a real person from your company, add a real person. I would recommend it because it looks more personal. So you can add a picture as the avatar, which will appear here on the chatbot, and it will look more personal if you add a person's face rather than a generic chatbot image. And you can change your logo to your company's logo, which will appear here on top of the chatbot. You can change the colors to your brand colors on your website so that it looks more similar to the website. And the next thing is the flow. If you click on the button flow, you can see the flow and it's already built. You don't have to change anything. This is built with experience from many automotive companies, and this template has worked very well for them. So you don't have to change a lot of things. You can change the wording if you don't like the wording, or else you can change the company name from here. And then you can change the option text as well. And these options, you can see where they jump to when you click on them. For an example, if you click on buy a vehicle, it will jump to question number 3, which asks what type of vehicle are you looking to buy. So there are vehicle types, and then they ask for your budget, and then the budget question jumps to question number 8, where they ask for name, email, phone number, and a message if the customer wants to type a message. And this lead will be sent to you directly to your email address or your CRM if you later on think of integrating it with this chatbot. So this chatbot can collect details of people who are buying vehicles, selling vehicles, and if they want to contact your business. On the left hand side, you can see these actions, all the jumps, the logic jumps. So for an example, if you select a car, you can see it has an image. Every single category you can add an image, and then this jumps to question number 4. The whole question jumps to question number 4. What type of brand are you looking for? So at the end, it jumps to a question where it will thank the customer and send you the lead. So that happens through the setting. If you want to change the email address that the leads go to, or else if you want to add more email addresses apart from your email address that is their default in the account, you can go to settings, change the email address or the subject. Right now, by default, it will send the email to whatever you put here as the account email. So if you don't want that, you can opt out of that and add a custom email here. I will show you one more thing, which is pop-ups. They have a couple of different pop-ups, but I prefer this pop-up, the regular one. If you want to go for a minimal buttons only pop-up, they have that as well, and they have a couple of more options here as well. So I will stick to a regular pop-up, and once you have done all these changes, it only took me like a couple of minutes, you save this, and then you click on preview to preview what you have built. So if you are happy with the preview that you get, you click on a couple of buttons and you see if the flow is good. If you're happy with it, you go back to your builder and then you click on back button and then you click on website setup. In this page, you can add your website and click on start. When you click on start, they will give you a pixel code which you can copy and paste on your website code so that you can install the chatbot very easily. Once you have copied and installed this code on your website, you go back to tools and again click on website setup. And when you click on website setup, you can see you can add a tool from here. Nothing, no coding required. You click on this, you choose the tool type. They have a couple of tool types, but what we built right now is a chatbot. You click on chatbot and you click on your chatbot. You choose whatever you built. And then you click on add and you activate this from this button, and now the chatbot is active on your website. It will be talking to customers, it will generate leads which will be sent to you through emails. So just like this, you can create chatbots for individual car pages, or else you can create a live chat where customers can chat with your agents. You can do a lot of things with this platform, but you need to remember this: you get 50 free interactions monthly. And if you want to expand this, if you think you have more potential on your website and you get more interactions than this, or if you get more leads than this, if you want to expand things, you can go visit their pricing page. And in this pricing page, you will have the paid plans. You can use free forever plan for 50 interactions, and you can select from this drop down how many interactions you think your website will be getting, your chatbot will be getting, and you can see the price change from here. You can choose start now and go for a paid plan. And this is how you build a chatbot for your automotive or car dealership website for free in a couple of minutes. And if you're interested in videos like this, and if you want to learn more about lead generation, subscribe to our channel and we will bring you more videos on lead generation through the tools of ServiceMail. So until I see you again in another video, take care and take it easy.